everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video where I'm going to be showing you what's in my pen case. Now this was the format that I used for grade 12th or year 12, and this worked out pretty well for me. However, I am starting my first year of my bachelor's very soon, so I will tweak this and maybe get a new pencil case. I'm not really sure, I will see. Okay, for the stuff in the background, this is a coaster that I have DIY'd. Let me know if you want to see any DIY coaster videos. I have a lot of DIYs planned. This is my planner that I show you all the plan with me every week, and I love doing it. And this is my pencil case. This is also a set of washies that I'd used in my last plan with me. So yeah, let's get into the video. So when I open the pouch, as you all can see, it's packed full of stuff. You all can see that there's like, I've created this sort of divider. This is my Mildliners, my zebra Mildliners. I absolutely love these. I could not have done my 12th grade board exams without these, so I love it. And let me know if you want to see tips or study tips video, because I really gathered some good ones. This is a notebook from Sundaram. This was for 10 rupees from one of my local stationery stores, and I just covered this with gold washi. This has all of my YouTube video ideas in it, like you all can see. So the end has just the video ideas, and this has the content that I have to, the details. This is a pack of page flags that I got from Miniso, and this was very cheap for its price. I mean, for the amount of stuff that you get. This was around 150 rupees, and you get, I think, around 140 to 150 page flags in these, so it's a great deal. Next, I also have these really cute page flags from Accessorize. They're just plain white. Yeah, I have a little heart over here. They're just plain paper, and these were pretty expensive. They were like 300, but I had to exchange something for this, so this was a these are really cute. They've got holographic foil in it. The next thing that I have are these two washies. I always like to carry two washi tapes with me to make my notes look pretty, and I don't do it on every page. I just do it on the pages that are like title pages or have very important formulae or something in them. The next thing that I see is this little stapler box. It's just very easy. I just DIY'd this with some washi because it was so ugly, and it just has some of my staple pins in it, stapler pins. Next, I have my little steel ruler. These are very common in India. If you're an Indian, you have used these at one point of time. It's a great ruler. It has the reason why I like steel rulers is because the indentations don't get rubbed off very easily. And yeah, so coming to the pens and other like writing utensils and accessories, yeah, I guess this is it. So coming to the pens, wow, I'm just really moving my setup around. I have a little bit of fevicol. Like, I lost the cap to this, as we do for every fevicol bottle, but yeah, I think we all need this. I dropped my pencil case. I think we always need this, and it's an important thing to have, because you never know when you're going to need to stick something, be it for an ID card or a form that you have to fill. So yeah, so the next thing that I have is this pen drive. I like to have a pen drive in case I have to get something printed in like a huge A3 format, because I have a printer at home, so I don't need to print it outside. But in case I need like some project work or something like that, I have it right here. The next thing that I see, apart from all the writing utensils, is this little blade that I got from a local stationery store. It's the Delhi blade. The good thing about this is that this just rises up and down, so it doesn't stay up, and you don't need a cap for it. You can also like lock it right here so that you can easily cut it. I had one of these. I still have that scissor. It's it's a really cheap Camlin scissor, and it's great quality, but it is quite bulky. However, it is like, it's thick but it's small. So yeah, I don't remember the price of this. This was around 60-70 rupees. So yeah, so the next that I have is this 0.5 lead that I use with this mechanical pencil. This was also from a local stationery store. This was very cheap as well. I just thought it's very cute, and I don't mind the leads of these pencils because I can always use my own. The next pencil that I have is this. This was from AliExpress, and this is a 2mm pencil, and it's a super dark pencil, so in case I need to annotate something in my textbook, I like using this. And this is the lid for this. These are the lids for this pencil. This is the refill for one of my favorite pens, the Hauser Sonic Gel refill. I have gone through about 6 refills in that pen alone. I like to use refills so that I don't have to throw away a full plastic body pen every time, so that I'm contributing lesser waste to the environment. So the next pen is the Pentel Energel. It's a classic. All of us know how amazing this pen is, and I also have the refill for it. This is a pen that I got from a local stationery store for like 10 rupees, and in case somebody ever asks for a pen, it's going to be this, and I make sure to ask for this back from them, because I am not going to be giving my expensive pens or my good pens to them. And this is another blue pen that I like to keep. I love writing in black. However, some teachers prefer their notes and projects written in blue, and I don't want to wait to write something at home if I have time in college. So just because I don't have a blue pen. So this is that. I also like to keep a red pen, because in case the teacher, like while I'm writing notes, in case the teacher says, hey, this is going to be very important, this might come as a 3-mark question in your exam, make sure to mark this. So anything that comes for an exam, or anything that's told by the teacher that's extremely important, I like to mark with a red pen. I guess that concludes it. Yeah, that is all for my what's in my pencil case video. I'm gonna go clean this mess up that I have made, and yeah, so as I said, this might change. This is not a permanent thing, as I might get a new pencil case, or I might use one of the older ones I have. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, comment down below what you want me to make next, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.